Good morning, everybody. It's early, it's cold, and we are having a tree removed, mitigating loss and responsibility for the tree falling on the house below. This is an incredible process. You can see they're removing limbs one at a time, and they take it down to the wood chipper and chip it up. It's a huge tree. A little exciting, a little sad. But it's gotta go. You don't want to damage the house or the people living down below, so here it goes, one limb at a time. And it's something to keep in mind if you own rental property. Once you're notified of an issue with a tree, you then become legally responsible. So, in North Carolina, typically if a tree falls on someone else's property, it's their responsibility for the damage and to clean it up. However, once you're notified that there's an issue, it then becomes possibly your responsibility. So, down it goes, and it's a huge tree. So, time to go. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.